Uh, now, now we are looking towards the minor and cofactors. In for minor, we can represent it's a m, and for cofactor we are represented that is a c. For minor m and c for cofactor. First of all, I am looking for 2 cross 2 matrix, and then after 3 cross 3 matrix, how to find the minor and cofactor. In a 2 cross 2, like I can say that is 1 3 minus 2 5, and we have to find the minors and cofactor. In a matrix, every element has an address. यानी मैट्रिक्स के अंदर हर एलिमेंट जो है उसका कोई ना कोई एक एड्रेस होता है. लाइक इफ आई कैन से द वन, द एड्रेस ऑफ वन इज दैट इज A11, and same like that of 3, I can say that is 1 3 2, first row second column, and minus 2 I can say that is our 2 1, second row first column, and for 5 I can say that is A22, second row and second column. So this will be the address of this matrices of 2 cross 2. For minors, I can say for minor that is M11, M11. I can leave the elements of M11, like I can leave 1 3 and minus 2, first row and first column I can leave. So what will be the elements remaining? That is a 5. This will be a minor M11. पहली रो और पहला कॉलम यही लिखा हुआ M11 में. पहली रो और पहला कॉलम छोड़ देंगे, जो एलिमेंट बच जाएगा वो माइनर होएगा. इसी तरह से सेम M12, 12 but means first row second column, first row and second column like this, first row second column. So the answer will be minus 2. क्या करेंगे 1 2 के अंदर, क्या करेंगे पहली रो और सेकंड कॉलम को छोड़ देंगे, पहली रो और सेकंड एलिमेंट को छोड़ देंगे और जो आंसर रह जाएगा वो माइनर होगा. सेम इसी तरह से M21, second row, now second row and first column, second row first column we will leave, so remaining element will be 3. And M22, that is second row and second column we can leave, second row and second column, so 1 will be the minor. So these are the minors for 2 cross 2. And for cofactor, that is a difference between minor and cofactor is that is minus 1 raised power I plus j. I plus j means row plus column, and minus 1 is a standard form. So when I can solve the cofactor, that is C11 of this element, C11, that is minus 1 power 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, first row first column we can add. And what will be the answer of minor? That is a 5. So this will be, so answer will be this will be a positive, so 5 will be the answer. क्या करेंगे हम कोफैक्टर के अंदर, इसके अंदर माइनस 1 जो है वो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है, और आई और प्लस जे इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. आई जे का मतलब ये है रो और कॉलम, तो पहली रो और पहला ही कॉलम है, जैसा कि माइनर के अंदर लिखा हुआ है. ये कोफैक्टर के अंदर पहला रो और पहला कॉलम जो हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं, इनको हमने ऐड किया तो ये 2 हो गया, और जो इवन नंबर होता है वो पॉजिटिव में आ जाता है, तो 5 आंसर आ गया. इसी तरह से हम C212 निकालेंगे, we can solve C12. So C12 minus 1 raised power 1 plus 2, and answer of minor, that is minus 2. So answer will be minus 1 raised power 3, minus 1 raised power 3 minus 2. This will be answer, that is minus 1 into minus 2. So answer will be 2. Same like C21 is minus 1 raised power 2 plus 1, second row first column we can add, and what will be the answer of minor? That is the 3. So minus 1 raised power 3. 3. This will be an odd number. So odd will be a minus. This will be 3. So minus 3 will be the answer. And C 2, 2. That is minus 1 raised power 2 plus 2. And answer of minor is 1. So answer will be minus 1 raised power 4 into 1. That is an even number, and even is positive. So 1 into 1, that is answer is 1. So these are the difference between minor and cofactor. This elements will be a difference between minor and cofactor. When we use this minus 1 raised power I plus j, then this will be a cofactor. When I cannot use this minus 1 raised power I plus j, then will be a minor. In now we are looking for 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we have to solve that is a minor and cofactor. I can solve that is A13, A21 and A32. How can we solve these minors and cofactors of A13, A21 and 32? First of all, A13, when I can write minor, so I can say that is M13. M13 means that first row, third column. What we have to say, first row and third column. This will be a first row, this will be a first row, and this will be a third column. First row and third column we can leave. Like, so remaining elements will be 2, 5 and 1, 2. 2, 5 and 1, 2. We can leave first row and third column. So first row and third column, and I can write like 2, 5, 1, 2. So what will be the answer? We can solve the subdeterminant, that is 2 into 2 minus 1 into 5. So answer will be 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. And for cofactor, that is C13, I can put minus 1 raised power 1 plus 3, first row and third column. And what will be the answer of minor? That is minus 1. So this will be minus 1 raised power 4 into minus 1. This will be a positive, so minus 1 will be a answer. So this will be a how to solve minor and cofactor. One more example is that minor and cofactor, that is A21. A21. How can I write? That is M21 for minor. M21. So what we have to do? Second row, first column. Second row, this will be a second row. Second row, and first column, this will be a second column, first column. We can leave, and what will be the elements remaining? That is minus 11, 3, 2, 5. So we have to solve these questions. Minus 11 into 5 minus 2 into 3. So minus 55 minus 6 minus 61. Now for cofactor, that is C21, we have to write minus 1 raised power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. And what will be the answer? That is minus 61. So minus 1 raised power 3 minus 61. So answer will be, this will be a negative and here is negative. So positive, the answer will be 61. So this will be a cofactor. In question they asked that find the minors and cofactors of A, B and F. First of all, we will have to see what is the address of A. A is there. So A is there. So the address of this element is A11. And address of B is A12. And address of F is A23. Because 23 is what? Why? Because second row and third column. So this element, the address of this element is 23. So first of all, I start with the minors. And first of all, I have to calculate that is the element of A. So I will write M11. M11 is what? I will have to leave the first row and first column. First row and first column. First row and first column will be. Remaining is E, F and HI. Now we will have to solve this determinant. EI minus HF. That is EI cross multiply and from here HF. Now the element of B minus M1 2. Here is 1 2 because the first row and second column. First row and second column. So this will be a first row and second column. So DF and GI. Now we can solve the determinant, subdeterminant, that is DI minus GF. DI and GF. And lastly, the minus of F is here is F, and here the second row, that is a second row and third column. So I can leave this will be leave, and this row will be leave. So remaining will be M2 3. That will be A, B and GH. So determinant will be AH minus GB. This will be the minors. Now I have to solve the cofactors. In cofactors, I can write for cofactors C11 for cofactor, and C11 I have to write minus 1 raised power 1 plus 1, and what will be the answer? That is the element, the answer of the minor, that is EI minus HF. So minus 1 raised power 2 EI minus HF. So result will be, this will be a positive, so EI minus HF, the cofactor of C11. Similarly, I have to solve C12 minus 1 raised power 1 plus 2, and the answer of minor, that is DI minus GF. So this will be a minus 1 raised power 3 and DI minus GF. So this will be a minus, the result will be a minus, and minus DI minus GF. So this will be a answer of C12. Now I have to calculate C13, C23 minus 1 raised power 2 plus 3, and answer of minors is there AH minus GB. So minus 1 raised power 5, that is AH minus GB. So this will be minus AH minus GB. So these are the cofactors of the given questions, which is that is find the cofactors and the minors of A, B and F element. Now this will be a second question, and in this question, and they have asked the find minors and cofactors of third row. So this will be a third row, 6, 10 and 4, these are the elements. First of all, I will calculate the minors, that is M for 6. For 6 there is a third row and first column, so I can write 3 1. So remaining element I can leave third row and first column. So remaining will be 11 4 2 7. मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे माइनर निकालना है किसका, थर्ड रो का. थर्ड रो में पहले एलिमेंट क्या है, 6 है, तो मुझे ये सारी रो और ये सारा कॉलम, इस 6 के सामने सारी रो है और इस 6 के सामने सारा कॉलम है, ये छोड़ना है. बाकी एलिमेंट्स मेरे रह गए, वो मैंने लिख दिए. इसी तरह से मैं जब 10 का निकालूंगा तो 10 में हमारे पास रो तो वही है, थर्ड रो, लेकिन कॉलम कौन सा बन जाएगा, वो सेकंड बन जाएगा. इसके सामने कौन सा कॉलम आ रहा है, सो ये आ जाएगा M32. अब थर्ड रो और सेकंड कॉलम छोड़ देंगे तो मेरे पास आ जाएगा 9 4 3 7. और इसी तरह से लास्टली हम 4 का जब निकालेंगे तो M क्या आएगा, 3 3, क्योंकि थर्ड रो और थर्ड कॉलम है, तो ये क्या आ जाएगा 9 11 3 और 2. अब हम इनको इवेलुएट कर लेते हैं, इनका डिटर्मिनेंट निकाल लेते हैं. Now we can solve 11 multiplied by 7, that is a 77. 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. So this will be a 69. Now 9 multiplied by 9 times 7, 63, and 4 times 3, 12. So this will be a 51. Now 9 times 2, 18. 11 times 33, that is 33. So this will be answer minus 15. These are the minors. Now I have to solve the cofactors. Similarly, for M31, now I can write C31. That is minus 1 raised power 3 plus 1. And what will be the answer? Answer is 69. So this will be a 69. So minus 1 raised power 4 and 69. And this will be a positive. So 69 will be the answer. Now 32, I can write C32. Minus 1 raised power 3 plus 2. Third row and second column. So we can add third row and second column. And the answer of 32 minor is 51. So minus 1 raised power 5 into 51. So the minus 1 raised power 5, that is minus 1. So minus 51. And lastly, C33. That is minus 1 raised power 3 plus 3. And answer of minor is minus 15. So minus 1 raised power 6 into minus 15. This will be a positive. So answer will be a negative 15. So these are the questions for minor and cofactor of third row. Now the question is, I just have to write the sign of the following cofactors. These are the cofactors C13. That is C13. C13. So C13, that is minus 1 raised power 1 plus 3. That is equal to minus 1 raised power 4. This will be a positive answer. Positive. C23. C23 means minus 1 raised power 2 plus 3. That is minus 1 raised power 5. So this will be a negative. Because when the power will be even, then the answer will be positive. When the power is odd, then the answer will be negative. Now see similarly, C33, minus 1 raised power 3 plus 3, minus 1 raised power 6. That is again even, so positive. C41, minus 1 raised power 4 plus 1, minus 1 raised power 5. That is odd, and odd is negative. And lastly, C34, that is minus 1 raised power 3 plus 4, minus 1 raised power 7, so negative. So these are the answers of the following cofactors.